at this fucking crazy shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Damn. Fucking motherfucker. Holy shit.
What the fuck you doing, dude? What are you doing, you fucking idiot? Right there, baby. Bam, right there. Right there. Fucking idiot. What a fucking asshole.
Oh!
Maybe even your chatty coworker who keeps distracting you? Okay, bounce dryer sheets can't do it all. But for fresher, softer, better laundry...
Oh shit.
T-Mobile 5G home internet keeps getting better. Get our fastest connection loaded with benefits. Get T-Mobile's best home internet starting at $55 a month with auto pay and any voice line. Plus, price lock. We won't raise your rate on internet. Check availability at T-Mobile.com.
Oh my god. My god. Ano yun? Matras siya eh.
Hell yeah. Let's just roll around with the lights off and everything. Real smart. Real smart. Stupid.
Oh, let's just do a flyer. Like, they gave him 4th round draft pick to bring him in and do nothing. Now they brought him in to just let him go 2 years later. Yeah, I don't know if they were doing a lot of development over there. They got their own issues and their own problems. Scratch him on him. Yeah, that's a complete head scratcher. Now, in multiple places.
1,000 feet, turn left onto Edgewood Street.
Oh! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh. Oh no. Oh.
What are you doing, you cocksucker? Fucking twat. sucker. You called me a wanker because you deliberately cut me off from coming up the inside. That's called filtering. It's perfectly legal, right? You didn't see me because you didn't look. You didn't look. Yeah, I wasn't in the middle when I came up there. I was in this lane. You just pulled across. You don't like bikes filtering, yeah. Enjoy your bud. You're getting fat. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. But I saw you, didn't I? Yeah. Getting fat, mate. Morning. Oh. Right. You just used your car as a weapon to try and intimidate me. So now I'm going to report you to the police. I would have left it at that, but you're a cunt, so now you're going to get the fucking police on you. You trust...